Well, I decided to go ahead and show the routering in of this phone. And my bride's over here saying, "Get it done, dear." And don't leave these people out there hanging. And you talk about a router and then you don't follow through. I almost had my bride right up here, just like that, so she's keeping an eye on us. Actually on me. But you can see I've already cut in, sitting here at about right at a 1/2 inch. Good old Craftsman. You may have noticed when I get to the end, I don't run off. It will blow these corners completely out. Stop shy of the end. Now here I can start because I'm going clockwise, but if you was to come on through, it would blow out the whole end of this phone. And then get back and then come back into it. So we hope this little tidbit, and Sammie here is looking out after us, has helped. I'm going to set her down right there. But she would not have wanted me to not show routering this. I've had this router since probably the 80s. Now you could use a handheld one. I needed the support for these here across. That way you're not, overcutting. You're cutting exactly what you want. Gotta have it, and this is the older phone. These here were cut out with the actually hand phone saw. This is where the wire's gonna come in. It comes down in here deep. That means the salvage, I end up having to have at least a 1 inch deep sewn onto my cleat that will go down, and then it'll have a rod all the way around secured to the seat frame and the other jute, but then a rod with a loop in it. That these get hauled. These are going to get the ones for the Velcro, and I will show putting in the male part of the Velcro and the soy a little bit later on. Let me come around here and see if we're still focused. Still focused, and we hope this little tidbit will help somebody down the line. And like I say, we're over there behind my chair is that one to do, and then the 2 solo seats as well. But this gives us a nice distinctive pull down for our rolling pleat look. Again, this is something that she would want me to do, and we will zoom in here. Get it done, dear. Thank you, Sammie. We got her done, and hopefully we will get somebody out there to give us a comment that is doing their own DIY interior. But if you need anything in the comments, leave me a note. In my about is also my email address. So if you could, please, I'm going to zoom back out here. Please send me any of your questions via email as well, and we'll be glad to answer them. Bears Rod Shop, this will be continuation on the 55 Chevrolet Interior.